Make today the last day. You come in here with your hand swinging, eh, boy? Thank you. Watch him. You come in here drinking, eating nuts, drinking Lucas in, and wouldn't bring one for your pal. That's the kind of friends I have, boy.
So that was very good to me.
Alright, much appreciated. Hey, what are you doing now? Catch all there. Right, so that's all. Noise. So it's a nice vlog. You watching my weird now where they come as well, right? So today we're going to do a little sit. We're going to remove the sit to the extraction. The lady sit there with it. So we're going to take it out there. It's a little fresh now, so look and see what we do it. Right? So, see some little dirty. Right. So we will then take it out, clean it up, get back fresh for the customer, right? So today we are on the helping man. He's the man that we're going to really be doing it now, right? He's doing enough shit that he know what we're doing. So let me get to it now, good. And then now we finish with it here. We then do a touch up on the roof and thing. There's spots now. Let's take it out. Now I will steam on the vents on them. I will steam clean in. And after we do that, we will vacuum up and roll down. And then we have the back seat to do. Right? So join me again on the journey. Alright, so you're almost done. Last thing to do now is just to vacuum out the chunk, and after the chunk vacuum out, Rondell will then come back and do the back seat, and then we're gonna put back in the chairs on them, roll down, wash down, and then she'll be good to go, right? They just one of the things to do for you today. While we was doing this one, we wash other vehicles and things. I still might have to go all the road and get some more products to top up on them kind of vibes, you know? Right? So this part, right? So you know, all this part of the day we just be doing. So thanks for joining my journey again. For those of you watching the vlogs, or they watch the vlogs, you know now, but much effort going into it. It's a man holding up the camera in a real awkward position right now, but for all it to see me looking like this, right? So make sure and subscribe, make sure and share it up and thing, right? Boom. Alright, nice. So you finish do the extraction inside, and that is where we just be getting out of your seats. So let me make sure and come and clean up all the seats on them, right? Nice.